going to make some yummy sabudana mango dessert.
And ragi malt.
It's going to be so delicious.
Pour 2 glasses of milk into the pan and keep stirring it until it boils. Take 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix it in water. Add the corn flour mixture into the milk and mix. After the milk becomes thick, add some sabudana into the milk. Now we're going to add some sugar. After everything's boiled properly, add some mango puree. Add 1 pinch of ilachi powder. After mixing it for a few seconds, pour it into a bowl and cool. Pour 2 cups of water into the pan. While the water is boiling, add 2 spoons of ragi powder and mix it with water. Add the mixture into the boiling water. Put it on low flame and mix. Now let's add jaggery. You can put as much sweet as you want. Mix well until it's thick. Now let's add some soaked sabudana. Now add a pinch of ilachi powder. Add 1 spoon of ghee. Now add boiled and cooled milk. Now let's serve into glasses. Wow, look at these yummy drinks. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.